vlog today. As you guys already know, hubby is still taking forever to get up, and my pregnant ass is hungry as hell, as you guys already know. We are planning to go out and about, see what we get out in the streets, in the stores, and to have a nice dinner since my mom went out to see my grandpa, spend time with grandparents. So meanwhile she's out, we're trying to go out too. We're not trying to stay home, not on a Sunday. You guys already know how that is. And yeah, neighbor was looking at me like I'm crazy, like this bitch is talking to the camera. So, como expliqué, hoy vamos a ir a comer y hacer unas compras. Como ven, mi esposo todavía no sale. Él tarda como 1 hora para salir. Mientras mi mamá fue a ver a mis abuelitos, vamos a tomar este tiempo para salir nosotros. Y los vamos a traer con nosotros. So, yes, guys, we are bringing you guys along with us so you guys can enjoy the view and what we get to do out and about, since we had a lot of requests to do vlogs now. People are asking for more vlogs now, so this is what we're gonna give you guys. I hope you guys enjoy and like it. Let's go. So what did we decide to eat? Me?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. That's what we decided, right?
Yeah. It's more like 80% you chose Taco Bell.
With this ugly ass weather out here. I like that ring. It's so cute. He's happy because he got food. Open your chalupa.
It would.
Got me a taco, chalupa, my drink. So this is what happens when you just ate. Are you full?
Oh yeah, I'm stuffed.
I'm stuffed too. I feel like I can't breathe. So now where are we going? To the stores? After I ate a good meal, we're now going to the stores to see what we buy, right?
Yup.
And this weather sucks. I don't know if you guys can see. It's raining. So now we're at the 99-cent store to see what the hell we see. There's some snacks. Let's go to the Christmassy stuff. I don't know what are those. But they got a lot of cute little things. What the fuck happened to the body?
I was gonna put it like this.
Oh, under the chimney. That's so cute.
What is it, a hat?
What are you doing?
It's a hat.
It is not a hat. How the fuck are you doing? Are you trying to put his panties on your head?
Yeah, I'm trying to be fun.
They got a lot of cute stuff. I mean, because y'all already know. You guys already know that, to me, I don't like expensive. I go for the more economic prices. That's almost the same thing as other stores.
Those are nice too.
Ooh, look at these. But you shop from the low to the expensive.
To the low to the high, the high and the low. Hey, I have a question. If I'm high when I'm shopping at 99 cents, does that make me
You're still low.
buying high?
Don't listen to him. They got some cute stuff. But so we did go to the store, but we decided not to get anything because there was nothing we liked, right?
Pretty much. There was a lot of stuff for Christmas.
Yeah, there was a lot of stuff for Christmas, like
ornaments.
For ornaments. People decorate their house.
And real cheap, but not stuff we were actually looking for.
Yeah, so we're going to Walmart now. you know, everybody has their favorite store, and our store is Walmart. I mean, I love Walmart. You love Walmart?
I'm a Walmart guy.
So we're gonna go see what we find there. Since it's not really like a, what do you call it?
What?
So we decided to come look at baby stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cribs and all that, because we're gonna have to buy some of this stuff. And hubby's already all into this stuff. ¿Ya estás listo para comprar todo esto? Oh, this is cute.
That's for you to change the baby and everything.
Or beanie? That was cute. But they got a lot of cute stuff. Okay guys, so this was our item that we bought today, since we went from store to store and didn't really like much. But I did find my labor, I don't know how you call this. It has a beanie, and you know, it's kind of warm, and I'm gonna use this for when I get out of the hospital, when I go in labor. Super cute. Of coming home after doing a little shopping and getting to see his white girls fight. While your mom's decorating the whole house. And you come home to this.
Talking about you. She even looks like Maddie when she smiles.
So now I am resting. Did you like your shopping?
Yeah.
Over here, babe. Did you like the shopping? You had fun walking? He is so high. So yeah, guys, we did not shopping. It was just like go walk.
Dude,
Since I have to start walking now, and as I'm gonna show you guys, well, as you guys already seen, I did get, what is that called? What I got today? No, it's not a gown. It's the little thing to when I go in labor and I'm gonna get out the hospital. Like a nightgown. I don't know what's it called. But that's the only thing that we found that I liked. So we're still on the search for the slippers and the other gown that I need, and some other stuff, and we will take you guys with us on that, right? So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give me a like and comment anything you guys suggest. What do you say? Yeah, he don't know what the hell he's doing. He's just relaxed.
Yeah, I'm just fucking kick back. I'm just chill, relax.
So toodles, guys. It's time for me to rest. He is still right there.